Hello, and welcome to our in-depth review of the Rivian AeroVolt. Today, we'll explore its definition, exterior design, performance, interior features, and pricing. The Rivian AeroVolt represents a significant leap in electric vehicle innovation, combining sustainability with high performance. As an all-electric pickup truck, it embodies Rivian's commitment to redefining adventure vehicles for the modern era. Starting with the exterior, the AeroVolt boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design that seamlessly blends form and function. Its distinctive front fascia features a bold light bar that not only enhances its futuristic appeal but also serves practical purposes, such as indicating the state of charge. The active matrix headlamps with adaptive beam technology ensure optimal visibility in various driving conditions. The truck's body lines are sculpted to minimize air resistance, contributing to improved efficiency and range. Additionally, the AeroVolt offers a range of wheel options, including 22-inch aero-optimized wheels that further enhance its aerodynamic profile. Under the hood, the AeroVolt offers multiple powertrain configurations to suit diverse driving needs. The tri-motor setup delivers an impressive 850 horsepower and 1,103 pound-feet of torque, enabling acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. For those seeking even more power, the quad-motor variant offers 1,025 horsepower and 1,198 pound-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. The truck's advanced suspension system, featuring air springs and adaptive dampers, ensures a smooth and controlled ride across various terrains. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate its capabilities, including a maximum ground clearance of 14.6 inches and the ability to ford through water up to 43 inches deep. Stepping inside, the AeroVolt's interior exudes a blend of luxury and functionality. High-quality materials, such as sustainably sourced wood accents and premium upholstery, create an inviting atmosphere. The cabin is designed with user-centric technology, featuring a large infotainment screen powered by Rivian's intuitive interface. This system provides seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The inclusion of a premium audio system with Dolby Atmos delivers an immersive listening experience. Practicality is also a focus, with ample storage solutions, including a spacious front trunk and innovative gear tunnel, catering to both daily commutes and adventurous getaways. In terms of pricing, the Rivian AeroVolt offers a range of options to accommodate different preferences and budgets. The base model, equipped with the dual-motor configuration and standard battery pack, starts at $71,700. For those desiring extended range and enhanced performance, the tri-motor variant with the max battery pack is priced at $101,700. The top-tier quad-motor model, offering the pinnacle of power and capability, is available at $107,700. These prices position the AeroVolt competitively within the electric pickup